Hey y'all, so I went to my first Fabric by the Pound sale last week and I picked up some goodies. Also stopped by a couple thrift stores, got some more goodies. I just want to show you everything I got. If you've never been to a Fabric by the Pound sale, how it works, or Fabric by the Bag, is you go in, the vendor has all the fabrics around the table. You don't really know what it is sometimes. As much as you can stuff in that bag, that's how they're going to price it, and it's just $1 per pound or whatever they say. So I got 4 pounds worth of fabric. Yes, so I paid $4 for all of this. I have 6 fabrics total. I held back, y'all. I showed so much restraint because I didn't want to get mystery fabric that I couldn't tell what it was. And a lot of the stuff I was like, are you actually going to make something out of this, or are you just being a hoarder? I was being a hoarder, so I put it back. And this is everything I got, and I'm going to show you. So first up, this fabric I actually may redonate because it's not as good of a quality as I thought it was. Let me show you. This green poly cotton blend, I think it's a curtain. I'm not totally sure, but it's giving curtain. I didn't know that when I bought it. I thought it was just a panel, but based upon the tag, this is a Walmart curtain. I am now figuring out. So I just thought this would be cute for like a evening, like date night, birthday, dinner type of dress, you know, just something like that. Because there is about 2.5 yards worth of fabric here, but it kind of disintegrated in the washing machine. Like, not fully, but the print on the fabric didn't hold up well to washing, and I'm gonna wash my clothes. So even if I don't wash it that often, I only wash this one time, it doesn't look good. So I'm thinking about redonating this, to be quite honest with you, which is a shame, but that's okay. If I still have 5 good fabrics, we're good to go. So that's the first one. The second one is this plaid. I think it's cotton. It doesn't really feel like polyester, though it does have, no, it doesn't have any stretch to it. Never mind. So I think it's just a cotton plaid fabric. I was thinking about doing a pinafore or a Vicky Sews Lynn, like sheath type dress out of this. Just wanted something simple but cute, and I don't have to match up a lot of the plaid only on the side, which I think would be fine. So I'm going to save this for the fall because that pinafores are kind of classics, so are sheath dresses. So I think that would work out. But I saw this and I said yes. I think I measured everything. I just don't remember off the top of my head. But I think I have 2.5 yards of this, or at least 2. I know I have enough to make that dress. So that's the plan for this one. They had some good old-fashioned muslin, y'all. They had 3 yards of muslin. This thing was filthy when I first got it, but I've washed it and now it's good to go. I always need muslin. I was actually running out of muslin and using fabrics I no longer liked in my stash, but now I've run out of those. So now I have some muslin. It's unbleached and it's sturdy cotton. This was probably my best find. I have this eyelet fabric. It's cotton and it has this beautiful just flowers that are kind of a ditzy floral going back and forth across it. I think there's 2 and 3 yards about everything. This one, I don't really know what I'm gonna make out of this yet, but I saw it as like a peasant-y type of dress or top that I could do. Actually, I said top, so there's 2 yards of this. Or it'd be a mini dress or something. But then I went to Target today and I saw some embroidered shorts that were kind of this vibe, so I could do that as well. Here I have about 2 yards, it's a little less, 1.5 yards of white cotton shirting fabric, and it's just really good shirting fabric. That's really the deal for it. It's like, I'm pretty sure it's not quilter's cotton just because of the thickness and the way it's woven. And I don't think it's muslin either, just because it's nicer than muslin, TBH. But this, I have an idea for a project that I think I'm going to try and make this summer. So I don't think I'll have time to make it in spring. But J. Crew had this dress that they did bring it back this year, but it is selling out. It's almost sold out, actually. And it's a shirt dress just with like a ruffle sleeve and a ruffle tier on the bottom. It's very cute. I just don't think it's $140 cute. I think it's like just shy of $140. And so I said I can make that. So I will be making that. And now I have cotton to make it. So that's the plan for this one. Then my last fabric is a print I would not normally pick. Not going to lie. It's cute, but it's definitely something that is not normally me. So it is, I think I have 3 yards of this cotton print with It's not even, I can't even tell what the right side and the wrong side is. It's so faded. It's so soft, so it makes me think it's older fabric. And it does have the brand on the side. I haven't looked it up yet though. It's got polka dots and flowers on it, and I want to make a M9750. Yeah, it's a macaw's pattern. I've made it before. I've decided for the next few months during the warm weather, I'm going to make more of the dresses I wear all the time. And that macaw's dress I wear all the time. I wear it all summer long. And so I said, I need to make more of them. So that's what I'm thinking for this fabric. And I have enough to do it, and I'm thinking about adding some like ruffles and little frills to it too, because I saw a dress on Pinterest. But I'll keep you posted. You'll see that video. I don't even know yet. But this is the plan for that. That is all the fabric I picked up. Only 6 pieces, like I said. But they also had this trim, which was not in the by the pound section, but it was still cute. They have, I think I got 4 1/3 yards total. This was about $2 a piece, and he gave me both of them for $2, which was really nice. Now, I didn't know it was elastic trim when I bought it, so that's kind of a damper for me. But I've been doing some research, and it seems I could still use it as regular trim. If you know more about that, please comment down below, because I'm thinking about this trim for my Zimmerman dress. I don't have enough though, but I'm thinking about it for that, because this falls in line more with what I saw when I went and did my research in store. If not, I could put this trim on something else because I think it's really cute. And then I went to an antique mall that I like to frequent, and it's the only place I can find vintage patterns in store, and I think I picked up 4 patterns, so let me show you those. This first one I have is this macaw's 1970s print. It did say what year it was, 1971. You can kind of tell by the style that it's going from 60s to 70s just based upon the call out to a mini dress, a mod mini dress, but not fully committing to it, like moving on, you know? And it has, you can do the tunic, and then you can either, it's a 2-piece set, so you can do the long sleeve or the short sleeve, and then it has little slits in the front, which I did not realize when I picked it up. I thought that was just like a pleat. And you can do shorts or pants underneath. So I'm thinking about doing the shorts because I really like this one, and I just think it'd be a cute little 2-piece situation for the summer, so I can feel dressed up, even though I'm not. I'm all about 2-piece sets. Y'all know. Y'all really like that video, so y'all know. And I want to make a couple more. So I have this one. This is a size 37 bust. It's a 14.5, which I didn't even know was a thing. But then it has a pound thinner pattern, which means that if you want to look thinner and taller, make view A. If you want to make your thigh seem slimmer, make view B. Now, I have all types of problems with that messaging, but that was the times. So that's what the pattern is. So that's my first one. And then my second pattern, I have this Women's Day shirt pattern from 1951. And I think you can tell by the styling that it's leaving the 40s and going to the 50s. I just wanted a cute blouse. That's it. It has 3 different views, and one of them has like a frilly collar, one has all these pleats across it, and then one's just a regular blouse. I just thought this was a cute feminine blouse. I'm very feminine, so I said, let me get this pattern. And it was between this one and another one. I think I may go back there this weekend though, because I bought a lot of patterns and I want to see if they restock. This is a size 16. I will have to do some mods probably, but I don't really plan on making this until the fall. I'm going to be quite honest with you, but I realize I don't have a button down shirt right now. So I'm going to try and make more shirt dresses and shirts over the next year. And I thought this would be a cute pattern to do it with. Also, a lot of the job, well, life update. I still don't have a job, but a lot of the jobs I've been applying for, a lot of them, some of them are remote, but some of them are hybrid, and some of them also would require me to travel on site to clients. And so this would be a good shirt for that if I did land that kind of job. Next, this one I already opened. This is also a 1970s macaw's pattern. Also a thinner, what is it called? A pounds thinner pattern. So it has 3 views. You can do long sleeve, you can do the short sleeve. Long sleeve and short sleeve also have the trim on them, which it tells you how to do trim too, which I'm trying to dabble into this year. And then one has just a sash, but it's a It's a darted dress that flares out in pretty simple classic silhouette. And I've actually, so full backstory, I have a Uniqlo dress that is the same silhouette, but it's made out of a knit. It also doesn't fit me anymore. And it's a color that, like, I know it looks nice on me, but it's navy. So it's kind of like a downer. It's very corporate-y because I used to wear it to work. And so I was thinking this is that dress, but then a woven, and I can make it in several colors. And I already know I like the fit, so this is just a great excuse to make more. This one I got in a size 16, 38 bust, so it fits me perfectly there. And yeah, this I do plan on making pretty soon. It's only 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only 4 pieces. It's not lined at all. Apparently this is a easy sew, so we'll see. Then my last pattern is for a life I don't lead anymore. But like I said, who knows with what type of job I may land. So I may need a dress like this. I also just like it. Why not just buy things you like? So this one is a Women's Day pattern as well. And I think it's a 4-piece coordinated situation. No, I put that dress to back. Now I'm thinking about it. Okay, so you can do long sleeve or short sleeve, and then it has a little belt situation, the little flaps thing. You could do that as well. I will not be. Or sleeveless. Okay, I knew there was multiple options for this. So yeah, it has 4 views. And I just thought it was cute. A cute little day dress. I was thinking to make it a little bit more everyday. I could do the short sleeve one. This one's from 1953. So, and I think you can tell we're not quite at the wiggle yet, but we're getting there. Original price, 35 cents, y'all. Oh my God, those were the days. And I can tell this was made for like a fancier lady or like a businessy lady, ladies who like to look nice because of the fabrics. Washable wool or soft tweed or cotton prints, crepe, taffeta, fall or linen. My vision is I like the long sleeve. I also like the short sleeve version of it. We'll see which one I make, but I think they're all pretty. I think they're just like really elegant basically. And I'm an elegant lady. I know how the t-shirts and everything throw you off. But it's either this or I'm very girly and ladylike and elegant when I leave the house. So that's everything I picked up on my, I guess I'll call this a thrifted haul. This was not the plan. I went to the sale and I said, oh, you're not that far from this place. Why don't you head over there? And then when I was done there, I said, well, you're also not that far from this place. You're on this side of town anyway. Why don't you go there too? And I ended up with such goodies. And I think I paid $6 for the fabric and $20 for all the patterns. So good deal. So that's my haul. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, please give it a like. I've got some cool things coming up. I haven't been able to do a lot of sewing lately. Sewing I can show lately because I'm working on some stuff behind the scenes that I'm not allowed to show until next week. Yeah, but I'll show you when I can. The next video I have coming up is my spring sewing plans. I think you'll be seeing those soon. I've been formulating them. I'm so excited for the hot weather. My seasonal depression has left me. And I've got some new things I'll be trying, so stick around if you want to see that. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe. I can't believe all the growth we've been having the past few weeks and the response I've been getting to my videos. I'm very grateful and appreciative of that. I just need you all to know. Just warms my heart that you all are into what I'm doing. We're going to be trying some different things this next season, so hopefully you're into it. But anyway, I'll see y'all in my next one.